While fruits are generally not a major source of protein compared to other foods, some fruits do contain moderate amounts of protein. Here are 10 winter fruits that are relatively high in protein. 1. Guava protein, approximately 2.6 grams per 100 grams, rich in vitamin C and fiber. Guava is one of the highest protein fruits. 2. Pomegranate protein, approximately 1.7 grams per 100 grams, packed with antioxidants. It also provides a good dose of protein. 3. Kiwifruit protein, approximately 1.1 grams per 100 grams, known for its high vitamin C content and a decent protein contribution. 4. Avocado protein, approximately 2 grams per 100 grams, a creamy fruit with healthy fats and a moderate protein amount. 5. Dates protein, approximately 2.5 grams per 100 grams, a sweet fruit rich in natural sugars, fiber, and protein. 6. Persimmon protein, approximately 0.6 grams per 100 grams. This winter fruit is not as high in protein but is a good source of vitamins and fiber. 7. Oranges protein, approximately 0.9 grams per 100 grams, a classic winter fruit with vitamin C and a small protein boost. 8. Tangerines mandarins protein, approximately 0.8 grams per 100 grams, similar to oranges but slightly sweeter. Tangerines also contain moderate protein. 9. Cranberries fresh protein, approximately 0.4 grams per 100 grams, a tart winter berry high in antioxidants and fiber. 10. Apples protein, approximately 0.3 grams per 100 grams. Although low in protein, apples are widely available in winter and pair well with high-protein snacks like nuts. If you're looking for protein-dense foods during winter, consider pairing these fruits with nuts, seeds, or yogurt to boost your protein intake.